Yeah, started. So like yeah, so this video again we are starting with the free goods determination. So which we'll be understanding how the free goods is one of the basic functions. So free goods determination we enter in a condition record, but that works based on a condition technique. So that is one of the basic functions which we have, and come here, basic functions, free goods. So take these steps. Condition technique for free goods. Determine item category for free goods item. Free goods item. Maintain copy control. The
third one.
maintain copy control. In the condition technique for free goods, write the steps: number ranges, tables, access sequence, types, procedure. Same like pricing, no difference. Rakesh, online.
To maintain pricing process.
Yes. And write this activate also. It's very important. Activation. Still this all the path, entire things, except field catalog. You can see one or two fields, even if we don't go ahead now, not a problem, because for the basic logic they will be asking you the customization of free goods, how it works, what do we do in the condition record. And the most important thing, they'll be asking what are the pricing procedures available in the standard free goods determination, and why did you customize. For every question, standard functional is already there, why did you customize. That is the most difficult question to be faced by the clients. You take this is the standard one, NA0001, NA0001. And it doesn't have 16 fields like pricing. Don't get confused. They'll ask a question, how do we control pricing procedures in free goods? People will tell 16 fields. There are no 16 here. How many are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write this. There are 5 fields: step, counter, condition type, description, requirement in the control data. right? These are the 5 fields you have to understand. So basically they are going to ask why did you create a new, you can see this ZCN001, it is TPM free goods. So what is the difference between both of them? It is the condition type only. So if I go to NA00, because it's a condition type, right? So let me see VK 13. Double zero. Do you have this pricing procedure here? After M it is N. Do you have it? So in the standard display condition records you will not have it, but when we go ahead into, where do we see NA00? Any idea? Can we see here? VB N1. Write this. Condition record for free goods is VB N1. So when I have asked somebody, can we create condition records on VK11? He said yes. There is a separate record called VB N1. We cannot create it on VK11. You should come to VK N1. Go to VB N3 display. Here you find it, NA. So there will be because many real-time people get confused. They will definitely ask for a newcomer, or when we can easily confuse you between free goods and standard pricing procedures. So there are no condition records at this moment for this particular. So if you create it, automatically the condition technique will work perfectly. Then what is that free goods there in given condition record? Free goods which is given in the general condition record will not follow the determination model. It is on the quantity based free. That is, based on the quantity it will take a decision. But here condition technique will if you want to go here and you have to give material minimum quantity. If you remember the screen which we see there, which you see here, or almost all, it is bringing you to the same. So what is this exclusive? Right, there are two types of free goods. One is condition exclusive, condition inclusive. Free goods, did you see in part 2? I don't remember in the document where it is.
I think it's part 2.
4. So I'm opening 4. It's 40_2. Page number 230 of TAS D 40_2. Cross-functional document is 40_2, remember. Exclusive of, write this, exclusive and inclusive bonus quantities. What do you mean by exclusive and inclusive? Any idea?
Exclusive means like have a quantity
What is he saying?
discount.
One free cartoon, because after for these 4 cartoons, one free cartoon is added. So that is called inclusive. Exclusive means
After 5.
after the 5, so you are getting some exclusive bonus, one more discount, one more product along with that. It is not that product,
Yes.
something else. So that's what he says. The exclusive free appear in the SD document as an individual free of charge item. Helmet is free along with the bike. That's free goods determination. Exclusive means, remember, external product. And you can say the exclusive bonus point, the extra goods are delivered free of charge, are not typically included in the invoice. Write this. Exclusive means
So if I'm buying 5 motorcycle and I get a pump free, that is exclusive.
yeah, that comes an exclusive gift because I'm not giving him a 6th motorcycle.
Or if I get a motorcycle, that is inclusive.
Yes, yes. Hello. Hello. Yes. Yes. చెప్పండి నిఖిల్. లేదండి క్లాస్లో ఉన్నానండి. ఈ టైంలో ఫ్రీగా ఎలా ఉంటాను మీకు తెలుసు కదా.